RAPID-PRODUKT was established in 1992 as a private company in Valjevo. The company produces timber fittings and PVC and aluminum joinery according to European and international standards. The company currently employs 30 workers. All production plants are integrated on its 1,000 square meters of production facilities, technical preparation with a tool room, finishing press, foundry of non-ferrous metals, production of plastic components and coating. RAPID-PRODUKT has its own product, various models of door handles. The company successfully operates with about 700 hardware stores in Serbia, Macedonia, Croatia and Kosovo.